Till now we have understood some of the theory part. Now it is the time to jump into the practical area and practice whatever we have learned till now. For that I will recommend you to download VS Code Editor, as I am going to use this VS Code Editor to write my HTML code, and then we will be using Chrome browser to render that code. Okay, so first of all, without wasting time, let's just go ahead and download VS Code Editor. For that you can go to any of the browser. I am going into the Chrome browser and just type VS Code and press enter. You will get this link. Just go into that and go into the download part, and depending on your operating system you are currently using, just click on the following button. If you are using Mac, click on it. If you are using Ubuntu or any version of Linux like Debian, Red Hat or any other, you can use this. And if you are using Windows, you can click on it. In my case I am using Windows, so I will be clicking here. Okay, once I will click on it, it will start downloading. Okay, so you can see it is saying that okay, start download. Now my downloading is started. Now depending on your internet speed, it may take some time. Once the downloading will be finished, I will be resuming the video. So now you can see my downloading is finished, and you can go into the folder where you have downloaded. In my case I have downloaded it into the local disk app. Go into that and just go ahead and download VS Code user setup. Just double click on it. Once you will double click on it, a window will be appear. Yeah, just click on I accept the agreement and then click next. Then just do not click on any of the other option. Just click on the create a desktop icon and add to path, and then just click on next button, then install. Okay, the setup is preparing to install Visual Studio Code on your computer. It will take some time, and then the VS Code will be installed on your computer. So let's wait for this to be finished. So now you can see that it is going to be finished. Now it is installed on my computer. Once it is finished, you will see this window. Click on the launch VS Code option and just click on finish. This will open your VS Code editor. After this you will see this window. Now your VS Code editor has been installed successfully. Just close it, and you can see that there is a desktop icon created by VS Code automatically. You can just go ahead and click on it and it will be open up. Okay, so whenever you are going to open VS Code, you can just go ahead and double click on the icon which is on your desktop, and you can open it whenever you want. Okay, in the next video we are going to start working on it. Thanks for watching.